Ever wondered how medieval societies managed to construct impressive water systems without the aid of modern technology? This is a question that can lead us down a fascinating path, exploring the ingenious solutions our ancestors came up with to harness the power of water. In the heart of the Middle Ages, a time often misrepresented as dark and unenlightened, the science of hydraulic engineering was flourishing. Water, an essential element for survival, was masterfully manipulated through a variety of hydraulic structures. Water mills were built, converting the energy of flowing or falling water into useful forms of power. Pumps were ingeniously designed to raise water from the depths of wells. Fountains, both practical and aesthetic, brought life and beauty to public spaces. These marvels of medieval engineering not only served their communities but also laid the foundation for future advancements in technology. So, buckle up for a riveting ride back in time. Join us on this journey to uncover the mysteries of medieval hydraulic engineering. The roots of medieval hydraulic engineering trace back to the ancient civilizations. The Romans, Greeks, and Egyptians were pioneers in harnessing the power of water. They designed intricate systems for irrigation, sanitation, and monumental fountains, all powered by the simple principle of moving water. In Rome, aqueducts towered over the cityscape, carrying fresh water from distant sources into public baths and fountains. The Greeks, with their keen understanding of geometry and physics, used hydraulic principles to create water organs and even the world's first analog computer, the Antikythera mechanism. Egypt, the cradle of civilization, was also an early adopter of hydraulic technology. The Nile's annual flooding provided the impetus for advanced irrigation systems, turning the desert green with crops. These ancient civilizations laid the groundwork for what would become a cornerstone of medieval society. Their legacy lived on, influencing the development of hydraulic engineering throughout the medieval period. With the fall of the Roman Empire, the torch of hydraulic innovation passed to the medieval societies. The invention of the water mill signified a major breakthrough in the realm of hydraulic engineering. This innovative machine, a testament to human ingenuity, harnessed the power of flowing water to perform labor-intensive tasks, revolutionizing life in the medieval period. Let's delve into the design of the watermill. Its structure was simple, yet efficient. The watermill consisted of a wheel, often made of wood, which was set into motion by the flow of water. Attached to this wheel was a shaft which transferred the motion to a grindstone. As the wheel turned, so too did the grindstone, converting raw materials into usable products. Now, let's consider the operation of the watermill. The power of the watermill lay in its ability to tap into the ceaseless energy of a flowing river or stream. By diverting a portion of the water's flow to turn the wheel, the watermill could operate continuously, day and night, without the need for human or animal labor. The watermill's impact on agriculture and industry during the medieval period was profound. It automated the process of grinding grain, a laborious task that had previously been performed manually. This mechanization increased the efficiency and productivity of grain production, fueling the growth of medieval society. But the uses of the watermill extended beyond grinding grain. It also powered sawmills, transforming logs into lumber for construction. It drove fulling mills, where woven wool was thickened into cloth. Each of these applications of the watermill served to bolster the medieval economy, creating new industries and stimulating trade. In essence, the watermill was more than just a machine. It was a catalyst for progress, a beacon of human innovation. Its invention spurred advancements in technology, reshaped the economy, and transformed the landscape of the medieval world. The watermill was a cornerstone of medieval society, driving the economy and shaping the landscape. Its influence echoes through the centuries, reminding us of the power of human ingenuity and the enduring importance of hydraulic engineering. Beyond the watermill, medieval engineers devised ingenious methods to move water against gravity. Now let's dive into the world of pumps and fountains, the art of moving water in the Middle Ages. The medieval period saw the invention and design of mechanical pumps, marking a significant stride in hydraulic engineering. These devices leveraged simple machines, like the screw and the lever, to lift water from lower to higher levels. The genius of these contraptions lay in their simplicity and effectiveness. These pumps found their uses in various facets of medieval life. In agriculture, they played a crucial role in irrigation, enabling farmers to cultivate on a larger scale and fostering growth in food production. Imagine a world where the crop yield was no longer at the mercy of the rains. That's the world these engineers were building. In the realm of public water supply, Mechanical pumps ensured the availability of water in areas where natural water sources were sparse or non-existent. These pumps became lifelines for communities, providing consistent access to water and improving public health. And then, there were fountains. These weren't just about moving water for practical purposes. They were about moving water for beauty, for wonder, for awe. Fountains were a testament to the aesthetic sensibilities of the medieval period, a marriage of engineering and artistry. These installations served as focal points in public spaces, reflecting the societal and cultural values of the period. They were symbols of prosperity, of power, of the human ability to harness nature in service of beauty. It's important to remember that these pumps and fountains weren't just functional constructions. They were embodiments of the ingenuity and creativity of the engineers of the time. They bore witness to a period when humans were beginning to shape their environment, to manipulate the elements in ways that served both practical needs and aesthetic desires. Pumps and fountains were not just functional constructions. They were a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of medieval engineers. The innovations of medieval hydraulic engineering have left an indelible mark on our world. This era of ingenuity gave birth to the watermill, a revolutionary tool that harnessed the power of water for the first time, transforming industries and societies alike. The invention of hydraulic pumps, on the other hand, was a game-changer, allowing water to be moved against gravity, an innovation that opened a world of possibilities. This led to the creation of fountains, not just as utilitarian water sources, but as grand artistic expressions, symbols of power and technological prowess. These medieval marvels have greatly influenced modern engineering. Today, we still use variations of these technologies in hydroelectric power plants, irrigation systems, and even in the design of our cities. The principles behind these ancient innovations continue to guide our understanding and use of water, underscoring their enduring impact on our world. From the humble watermill to the grand fountains, the legacy of medieval hydraulic engineering continues to ripple through time.